Hey everyone, how's everyone so far? How's everyone doing this Saturday? I hope everyone is okay. Happy Saturday sa mga nasa live na. So we have Romulo, Arbs Bilag, X No Reply, Jen P. I just want to make sure you guys hear me. Jen, wow, hello from Dubai. Meron na tayo international server. May mga kachat ako from Italy, from Korea, etc. So welcome sa inyo. And then joining Giselle, John Monte, Cher Rosario, John Isaiah, Milagros Tirao, Mikhail, of course. Thank you as being always there. Jet, thanks for joining. John Monte. Everyone, how's everyone so far? How's everyone doing this time? Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So pa-shout out lang, pa-comment, ready kapag ready na kayo. And ready, yeah, para mag-start na tayo and make sure na malinaw yung audio ko. Thank you. Okay, so before we start, I'd like to say shout out sa mga nag-profit today, no? So, thank you. Okay, Marilyn watching from Cambodia. Thank you. Welcome. Day Merto, Pedro Marcos. Okay, wait lang guys ha. This is what you get if you have a daughter na 3 years old. So sa mga shout out sa mga parents at syempre advance happy Mother's Day sa mga sa mga mothers. And then advance happy Mother's Day din sa mga single parents, no? So thank you for always being here with us, no? So okay. So shout out muna sa ating mga nag-profit. So we have ito one of those na nag-profit. Coach, nag-profit po ako. Salamat po sa turo ninyo. Well, congratulations. May nag-comment pa, thanks Idol for a profit $200 in one day. Yan, Coach, salamat po for the first time nag-scalping daw siya and following YouTube video earn $5. Well, good, congratulations. Salamat sa pag-share ng BB50. I tried this morning and eto nangyari sa first trade ko. Thank you po. God bless. Congratulations. Yan, thank you daw. Dahil marami daw siya natutunan. Thank you, Rad. Congratulations. 150%. Ayan, may nag-comment pa. Thank you daw. Kahit pakurot-kurot lang, $16. Pakurot daw yun. Wow. Congratulations. Meron pang isa. Sa nag-comment, thank you. Sabi niya, salamat coach sa mga turo. Madami akong natutunan sa inyo. God bless po. Congratulations too. Oh, we have from South Korea. Welcome. And then we have from Cambodia. Wow. Congratulations. Thanks for joining. From Chateau Negros Oriental. Wow. Congratulations. Okay. Yan, si Michael, 263%. Congratulations, no? Ito pa, hindi raw siya makapaniwala, 527% and 621%. It's my day ata ngayon, sabi niya. Nabawi na daw niya yung $30 USDT because of this. No? Sobrang laking tulong ng mga tutorials and tutorials. No? So yan. And then, another one. 2 days pa lang daw siya nagsimulang mag-trade kahit paano kumita ng $5. Thank you daw sa very informative na session and videos. Okay, and then hold on lang. Okay, and then congratulations for the good start. Ito pa, so good evening. I already applied your strategy in futures. And it works. Sabi niya, I'm starting to boost my confidence again though. Nagpo-practice pa rin daw siya ng small capital. natakot daw siya kasi ayaw niya matalo ulit kagaya last month. Nag-futures daw siya ng walang plan at hindi nagamit ang SL pero puro hula analysis lang. Now, alam ko na kung paano mag-futures ng may plan and disiplina. Salamat po ulit, Coach, sa bless. Congratulations. And when you win, don't forget to journal your trades. Okay? Don't forget to journal your trades and you need to reflect ba't ka nanalo para maulit mo yung behavior and yung discipline mo, no? That's very important, no? Kung meron kayong questions on the journal, pinadala ko yan or I will share in a few sa inyo makikita yung journal na yan, ha? So, thank you. And then of course, may nag-comment doon sa aking video. Sabi niya, all your videos are very informative. Marami kang natutulungan, especially sa aming mga noobs and beginners. Deserve mo maraming views. Maraming salamat, guys. No, and honestly, I wanted to reach out. Sabi ko nga, 3 weeks pa lang tayo, we already have 5,000 subscribers. Sabi ko, saan nanggaling yung mga subscribers, 'di ba? Siguro they're really willing to learn. And I'm giving this all for free para sa inyo. I'm not charging anything. So, feel free to use my videos for your learning and lessons. Huwag nyo lang ibenta yung video ko, ha. Okay? So, make sure lang na at least meron tayong konting credits dahil para at least okay din. Okay? And then, yan, sabi niya, maraming salamat po sa tinuturo nyo. Walang kapalit, mas maraming blessings. Thank you, amen. To God be the glory. Salamat po sa inyong mga good words na mas ginaganahan po tayo magturo. Okay. Yan, thank you po sir. Sabi niya sa YouTube, nag-scalping kumita ko ng 8% in one day. Sobrang different po niyan mga ganyang message. No? Pag nakakita po ako ng mga message sa Facebook groups na nasunog daw sila or anumang nangyari, sabi ko, meron naman pong paraan para manalo. And I'm not saying guaranteed because no one knows the market, no? Pero yung winning rate nyo kasi pwedeng tumaas yan, no? There's a way for you to learn and get to understand the market more, okay? All right, with that said, first and foremost, before we start, i-promote ko lang muna, no, meron tayong Discord channel to chat with me and the other moderators. Ask lang kayo ng mga questions doon. Yan, tulad niyan, we have our Miranda newbies, we have our spot trading group, we have our Binance futures, kung meron kung advanced traders na kayo, etc. And then, ang dami-dami nyo medyo nagsastruggle na po tayong sumagot isa-isa although we really want to, no? So, invite ko na din po kayo sa ating Facebook groups. Ayan, we already have 743 members. Pag meron po kayong tanong sa akin, post nyo lang po dito sa discussion point and sasagutin ko po yan. And the reason I want this to happen para sa mga Facebook users is gusto ko po na pag sinagot po natin yung question ninyo, yung mga other viewers po makikita na yung sagot ko and I don't need to repeat the same answer. So yun po yun. And then, ang maganda po dito, we already also, tulad po sa Discord, ang ginawa po namin sa Discord, meron po dong Miranda trading video, learning videos, nakasave na po lahat dito. We have our visuals, no? We have our visuals here. We also have our success stories. You could also go here. If you wanted to post your success stories, put it here. Ang dami-dami na po nagko-comment ng success stories nila. So, and then if you cannot go with Discord, pwede din po sa Miranda Miner group that you could use. Andito na rin po yung ating to use. Some of these are not my calculators. I got them from my other groups. No, if you want, and of course, kudos sa mga owners niyan. If you wanted to use some of those files when you are in the stock market, feel free to go in my Facebook group and you guys could download this and use it for your own consumption. Of course, kudos or credit sa mga owners ng mga files na yan. Okay? All right, and of course, if you have any other files to share na ginagamit nyo, also upload nyo rin dyan. I'm open to get and build a big library of resources para sa inyo na for free. Okay? All right, okay. So, again, thank you din pala guys. 5,200 subscribers na yata tayo in 3 weeks, no? So again, thank you so much for your support and please feel free to share our videos and go to the playlist. Ang kagandahan po ng playlist na ginawa natin, gumawa na po tayo ng playlist para po kung bago kayo sa channel ko, ayan, gumawa na po tayo ng playlist. Kung kayo po ay beginner, we have 12 videos there. Ito, you're seeing it in my page. We have 12 videos there on the playlist. Aralin niyo po yan instead na wag muna mag-Netflix. Okay, aralin niyo muna yan, sunod-sunod po yan, i-play niyo lang. And then kung meron na kayong alam on trading, konting alam sa trading, then you need to go with the intermediate trader playlist. Andito po yung iba-ibang lessons like the combination of RSI and MACD, and then the other techniques, no? And then kung meron na kayong alam na trading techniques, kung you need to build strategy, na you need to learn ano yung mga strategy like parabolic scalping na tinuro natin, the EMA and ALMA combination with Kuya CCI combination for scalping, and then you wanted to learn futures, punta po kayo sa Pro and Advanced, no? Yung Pro and Advanced, nilagay ko po dyan yung videos ko where how did I get 100% winning rates sa futures? Possibly po yan, basta you need to know, you need to learn the strategy. And make sure that magte-take down notes kayo kasi andyan na po lahat. If you have questions about my strategy, it's all there. I gave it all for free. Okay? And then of course, yung 8-week learning course, this is the 3rd week right now. Yung dalawa pong previous Saturdays, nakasave po lahat dito. If you wanted to go with them, please go to my to my YouTube channel and look at the 8-week learning course. Okay? And speaking of that, let's go now to our lesson for today. And then kung may time ka po ng deck natin, feel free to stay or invite friends na interesado mag-join sa akin for live charting. I will be doing live charts based sa mga recommendations nyo sa chat room, okay? All right, and guys, please reminder, let's stay respectful and polite sa ating chat room for the rest of the listeners, okay? All right, let's start. No, so are you a risk averse or are you a risk taker? No, averse meaning ayaw mo ba ng risk o gusto mo ng risk? No, are you a taker? So risk, obviously, it's important because you know, we wanted to be able to really risk in terms of trading, no? Anywhere may risk yan eh. Right? And sa mga tao nagsasabi na walang risk, sobrang galing nila, and sila na po. You know, but you know, 90% dun sa week 1 ng course natin, 90% of the people lose. They lose in trading, and it's only because they don't know na meron palang strategy. And I was one of them. I was one of them many years ago. And I was one of them na natatalo because hindi ko alam meron palang trading strategy. And I was very fortunate na nagkaroon ako ng mentor, no? My mentor has been in the stock market since the 90s, no? And alam niya na yung ginagawa niya. And I also have a community. So if I were you, find a mentor as well and then find a trading community. Kasi isa sa mga magaling na pang-iwas sa risk is kailangan mo ng kausap. Kailangan mo ng kachika. If you have no one to talk to, mas prone ka to revenge trading, mas prone ka into contrarian trading. Kumbaga, gusto mong kalabanin si market, bahala na si Batman, natalo ko, gusto mong i-prove na mali si market, 'di ba? So hindi dapat ganon. Okay? So quick disclaimer, this course is for your own personal use only and you receive this on your own volition. This is given to you for free and educational purposes only. And pakibasa na lang po yung ating disclaimer. And of course, yung mga materials na ginather natin, all of them are already available. So credit sa mga resources natin. I just wanted to put it all together no, para makita po ninyo ng mas mabilis at maunawaan nyo ng mas mabilis yung tinuturo natin. Okay? Alright, so as I've said, kung na-miss ninyo yung ating first 2 sessions, diniscuss natin ano ba yung crypto and the blockchain. No? It's important you guys know the blockchain as a whole and crypto because malilito kayo pag sinabi kong decentralized finance or DeFi. Malilito kayo pag sinabi kong proof of stake, proof of work. No? Malilito kayo pag sinabi limit. Malilito kayo pag sinabi kong smart contracts. Pag sinabi kong Ethereum network, Solidity, Ethereum, Validator, nodes, those will all be foreign words to you. So kailangan nyo pong aralin, go to my video to learn that, no? And then yung psychology, napakahalaga niyan, no? Pag sinabi nyong fear of missing out, na FOMO ka ba, no? Na greed ka ba, sobrang greedy mo, profit is profit hanggang nalusaw na yung profit mo, etc. etc. So you need to make sure na alam mo yung market cycle, no? So market cycle meaning kailan ka ba papasok, 'di ba? pumasok ka pag stealth mode. Kumbaga, hindi pa alam ng maraming tao. 'Di ba? Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, you know, be greedy when the others are fearful, but be fearful when everyone is greedy. Pag puro port snapping na ang nangyayari, no, you gotta be very careful, di ba? Okay, so all right, and then we have our tools and tips in crypto trading. Okay, which is gonna be our next week topic, and then week after that we will be doing full scale candlestick analysis and patterns, etc. Pero guys, in advance ko na po lahat yan, yung mga strategies, you could already see that sa videos natin. Okay? All right. Ano po ba ang ano po ba ang number one risk management rule? Okay, ano po ba yan? Okay? Of course, ipalakihin ko lang yung screen natin. Okay, let's wait. Okay. What is the number one risk management rule, no? Of course, this is capital preservation, no? Capital preservation it's very important kasi syempre pera mo 'yan, 'di ba? That's your money and you should be able to take care of that money na ininvest mo, no? And you should be able to make sure na yung perang ininvest mo is something na pwede mo maipagulong over the next couple of weeks and months. Hindi pwedeng maglabas ka ng perang na 100 pesos tapos wala rin, 'di ba? Hindi pwedeng gano'n, maglabas ka ng pera, naubos, papasok ka ulit ng pera, then naubos, hindi gano'n. Dapat ang gawin mo, it becomes a source of passive income, right? It becomes a source of income replacement siya. So at least it becomes your and pwede pong gawin 'yon, I'm telling you. Pwede niyong gawing income replacement ang crypto trading only if you know the strategy. Isa nga sa mga nagsabi, sabi niya, Coach, nako, $5, okay na yun. Kahit makadalawang trade lang ako na $5, dalawang gamit lang kay Alma Emma strategy. Okay. Naka-black screen ba? Okay, sorry. Okay. All right. Ayan. So I already adjusted. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry. All right. Yan, dunalik na natin. Thank you for the comment, no? Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. So as I was saying, no, na the risk management rule is really to protect your money, no? And of course, you will always make mistakes. Okay? Paki-comment na lang kung bumalik na po yung screen, in-adjust na po natin. Sorry guys. Thank you for the attention. Okay? So, okay, let me know kung bumalik na po, paka-comment na lang yung screen. Okay, let me know kung okay na po. Okay, pause lang tayo sandali. Commercial muna kung okay na. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thanks, Jasper, for confirming. Okay. All right, as I was saying, magkakamali kayo, no? So, risk reward in capital preservation, right? That's very, very important. Pwede nyo gawing income replacement, $5 dalawang trade na $5 win. That's already $10. That's 500 pesos. Saan ka makakakuha ng 500 pesos sa labas? Sige nga, sabihin mo sa akin. Type down below kung magbibigay sa'yo ng 500 pesos. Type the comment. Kung meron, pakilala mo sa akin for free. 'Di ba? Dalawang halmachi trade lang. 3 minutes, guys. You earned already in 5 minutes. Tinuro ko yan and a lot of people are telling me na, Coach, effective siya. O dalawang trade, tapos na. Huwag ka na mag-trade. Baka ma-overtrade ka. 'Di ba? You need to grow your capital. And shinare ko yan sa inyo sa mga Facebook posts ko na, I was able to earn 23,000 or 28,000 in 1 week. It's because I'm growing my capital. Hindi pwedeng tataya ka ng 500 pesos, ubos, antay ka ng sahod, balik, taya ulit. Hindi pwedeng ganun, guys. Okay? Understood? Okay. Now, okay, so risk reward, no? Of course, sa lahat naman ng business, there is no sure investment. 'Di ba? There's no sure investment. And of course, you need to make sure ng unang-una mong iisipin is you need to think of the risk before the profit. Ano ba ang iyong risk, right? Ano ba yung gagawin mo? Meron tinatawag na risk and reward. do you know how to plan? Tuturo ko sa inyo later paano mag-plan ng risk and reward sa Binance. Okay? Understood? Alright. Okay. Now, sabi ko nga dito, mindsetting muna tayo. No, mindsetting. Think of the risk before profit. Unahin mo muna, what are the things that could go wrong in the trade? Right? You need to know how much are you willing to lose in every trade. Pag mag-trade ka ng 500 peso, dapat ang malulose ko lang 50 pesos. Right? Dapat ang malulose ko lang 20 pesos. No, para magagamit ko yung capital bumalik, kaya ulit ako mas magandang posisyon, 'di ba? And then, you need to know when to go out of the trade. That's also important. Hindi pwedeng pasok ng pasok lang. Dapat alam mo rin magbenta. Okay? Dapat alam mo rin magbenta, and you need to know, you need to know how to, get out of the trade correctly. Okay? And then, of course, kailangan mo ding malaman, right, that, you need to know that trading is a very speculative play. Okay? Pag pumasok ka, and guys, you need to know this ha, this is very, very important. Tatapatin ko na kayo. Dapat, hindi mo gagamitin ang iyong pera pag ikaw ay magulang. You don't use your money na pagkain nyo sa gabi to trade. Okay? Please. You need to make sure that you're using the money na spare money mo, right? Before you trade, no? And honestly, do not trade kung marami kang utang. Do not trade kung ilo-loan mo yung pang-invest mo. Kaya nga marami sa Philippines ngayon, ang mga credit card, they're not allowing it to be used to deposit. Because ayaw ng mga credit card sa Pilipinas na mag-trade ka using your loan. Okay? And then, do not trade if you have no emergency savings. Dapat ang savings mo, dapat 6 months of your monthly expenses. No? And then you need only to trade when you have spare cash. No? Ano ibig sabihin yan? You need to protect yourself. Hindi pwedeng puro trade ka lang. You need to have an insurance. You need to have a protection. You need to make sure that you have, before ka umakyat sa futures and contracts, which is very high risk, no? It could wipe out all of your money. Lalo na kung yung contract mo naka-cross. 'Di ba? Tinuro ko na yan last week. Ano yung difference ng cross and isolated? Tinuro ko na rin yan sa Discord, no? So ano yung difference noon, 'di ba? So wag kang magko-contracts and futures kapag hindi ka pa protected. So unang-una mong gawin, you need to build a very good credit standing, pay all of your debts. Put a smart goal in place. Create a spending plan. Okay, do not use the money that you need to buy milk for your daughter para ipang-trade mo lang. That's not the right thing to do. Right? Ako, and I'm not saying this because I wanted to brag, pero kailangan kong malaman nyo to. No? Ako, I have 5 insurance. Okay? I have 5 insurance. I diversified my investments. I have real estates already. I have, sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, your real estate is still a liability until you start earning from it. So yung isa kong unit, pinapaupahan ko siya. I'm earning from that now. I have a unit in Mandaluyong, right? To stay protected, no? For more questions, i-plug in ko lang one of my advisors. So he's the one who is advising me on my financial insurance plans. Guys, this is not plugging ha. This is just an information for you. So please connect with Reniel. So Reniel is my insurance agent. So he's the one who manages my insurance. I have 5 insurance, and also my daughter has an insurance. No, so it's up to you. I'm not giving you anything to do. I'm just advising you that from a financial planning perspective, wag kang magte-trade hanggat hindi ka protected. Kasi kung may mangyari sa'yo, ubos yung pera mo. Okay? You need to make sure you protect yourself before you even go higher. So emergency fund, before you even go with treasury or money market funds, before you play with the stock market, before you work on mutual funds, or before you even play on futures and contracts. And a lot of you guys are playing sa futures already, ha? Make sure na meron kayong protection. Okay? Okay. All right. So just contact him and let him know if you have any questions or anything that he can answer from an insurance perspective. So, okay. All right. Let's move on. All right. So many people does not know that stock market or crypto, lagyan natin crypto dyan, is a high risk because akala nila easy money lang ang crypto. Ako, easy money, may trading naman si coach. No, may training naman siya. But you don't know that we have what we call drawdown, no? Ibig sabihin niyan, pag matalo ka ng 10%, you need to have 11.11% gain para ma-recover mo yung loss of capital. If you lost 50% of your capital, you need to recover 100% of gains para ma-recover mo yung 50% loss. That's what you call a drawdown, no? A drawdown is the negative half of the standard deviation in relation to price, no? Drawdown from a share price high to from share prices high to its low is considered a drawdown amount. If a coin or a stock drops from $100 to $50 and then rallies back to $100 or above, then the drawdown was $50 or 50% from the peak. Okay? In short, in Tagalog, Tagalogin ko na lang, kapag natalo ka ng 50% ng capital mo, para mag-gain back mo siya, you need to earn 100% of your existing capital. Okay? Existing capital now, capital mo. Does that make sense? Type yes sa comment pag naiintindihan. Type yes mamaya na po sa real estate. Okay? Online sabong, look ha, ikaw ha. Mamaya na yung mga ganyan. Okay? Listen muna kayo. Okay? Type yes pag naiintindihan ang drawdown. Pag natalo ng 50%, natira na lang 50%, di ba? Kailangan nyo na manalo ng 100% of your existing 50%. Pa ulit yung old capital. Okay? Understood? Comment para alam ko naririnig nyo ako. Pa-comment please. I'm looking at the comments para alam ko naririnig nyo ako. Thank you. Thank you. Alright? Okay. So, our goal in stock investing. Okay? Our goal in stock investing is, or in crypto investing or derivatives investing or futures investing, no? Your goal is 2:1, reward versus risk. So pag nag-plot ka, ikaw ba pag tumaya ka ba, gusto mo talo ka kaagad? Sige nga, 'di ba? Isipin mo 'yon, talo ka kaagad, hindi pinatalo mo na lang sana yung pera mo. Wala naman siguro mag-trader na mag-risk agad, 'di ba? 'Di ba? If you're a trader, why would you risk? Why are you going to risk your money? Ano ka? 'Di ba? Hindi mo sigurong pera, 'di ba? So but you need to make sure you plan for a 2.2:1. Mas malaki dapat ang reward mo, no? So, imagine sino mga comment down below if you're a poker player. Comment down below, wag tong it's sa poker. Okay, tong it's, sige. Comment down below if you're a tong it's or a Pusoy Dos player. Sige nga. Ano ibig sabihin nito pag nasa poker ka? This is a golden hand. 'Di ba? Golden hand 'yan. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Pag ito yung starting card mo, losing hand 'yan, ang pangit. 'Di ba? Dapat ang maganda diyan double A. Per ako I play poker. Right? Wala na, mag-ano ka na lang, either you up the ante or you buy or you call, right? Para tumaas pa lalo yung ante, 'di ba? But if you're trading against the dealer, will you ever win? Do you think you will ever win? 'Di ba? So it's up to you yan. It's up to you yan, guys, but ako, for me, by experience, no one wins. No one wins against the dealer, no, unless you're really a very skilled mathematician. Okay? Next. So ba't ko sinabing poker hands, no? Because in trading, pwedeng maganda yung pasok mo. 'Di ba? Pwedeng maganda yung pasok mo, pwedeng pangit. That's what you mean by poker hands. Kailangan maganda yung pasok, maganda yung entry mo lagi. You're planning your trades. Hindi pwedeng pasok, labas, sunog. Hindi pwedeng gano'n, 'di ba? And by the way, we cannot predict the future. Right? We cannot. No one can predict. Kaya nga sinasabi niyo sa akin, boss, tataas ba si Dog? Coach, tataas ba si Dodge? Tataas ba si XRP? Okay ba siyang investan? I will answer that later. Okay? I will go with my deck. I will give you some techniques on how to make sure yung risk ninyo sobrang baba. Okay? Sobrang baba ng risk ninyo. Right. Probability sa mga good in mathematics here, no? Probability permutation, right? So what does that mean? Okay. Probability permutation, ibig sabihin yan, pag nag-roll kayo ng dice, no? Ilang beses ka makakuha ng 3 in one throw. 'Di ba? Ilang beses? It's 1 is to 6. Because merong 6 times kang chances, pero you could only get one chance on out of 6. Pag dalawa, yung dice mo, it's 1 is to 36. That's your probability. 'Di ba? So, you need to understand na when you are trading, when you are trading in cryptocurrency, sobrang dami chances or opportunity para ikaw ay um, manalo. No, you need to make sure na alam mo yung pinapasok mo, alam mo yung buy mo, alam mo yung sell mo. There's a lot of ways for you to win, no? Pwedeng mahagip yung order mo, pwedeng tumaas, pwedeng hindi. No one knows, but we can predict. We have a probability percentage. Kaya tinuturo ko sa inyo yung mga strategies natin na Halmachi, Parabolic Scalping, RSI, MACD. Tinuro ko lahat yan, guys, para mataas ang probability nyo to win. No? Ang probability mo to win is 50-50. Either you lose, either you win, no? Or probably even 90% chance of losing. Kasi hindi mo alam ang pinasok mo, nasunog ka lang. Umaasa ka lang sa Facebook groups para sabihan sa'yo na, oh, papasok ba ako, coach? Di ba? Okay. Ang dice probability theory, pag nag-toss ka ng coin, either you get a head or a tail. Di ba? Kapag nag-throw ka ng dice, six times mo pwedeng makuha, you perfect it, no? Pag coin, 50-50. Kapag dice, 1 is to 6. Di ba? So, when you trade, there's up or going down. Right? Break out on a 3 minutes time frame? Will it break out on a 1 minute time frame? Will it break out on a day? Okay, you guys could see already. Please comment. Okay, comment lang kayo if you could already see it now para start na natin. Sorry guys, I think PLDT connectivity right now is intermittent. Sige. Okay, wait lang natin guys ha. Intermission muna tayo. Intermission. Sorry about that. I think PLDT, okay naman tayo for the past couple of weeks. No? So wait lang natin hanggang mag-stabilize. Sasalita lang ako pag okay na, just let me know, okay? Nagbo-buffer. Okay, wait lang. Okay. So nakikita na daw. Thank you. Thank you Renz thank you Renz for confirming. Thank you so much. Okay na. All right. So, pag kayo gumagamit ng limit order, okay? High, no? Gusto mo makapasok sa all-time high na candle pag gusto mo mag-order ng sarili. Ay, nawala na naman ulit. Wait lang. Okay guys, sige, I would not start muna no kasi I'm getting mixed comments. Okay na po ba or hindi? Para just let me know kung pwede na tayo mag-start. Okay, please comment kung okay na po. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay. All right, start na tayo ha. All right, sorry about that guys, no? Medyo something's wrong with PLDT today eh. Something's really weird, no? Okay. All right, start na tayo. So, as I was saying, kunwari, you wanted to order sa pinakamataas, no? The 59,194. And you wanted to make sure na maabangan mo yung order na yan, no? Tapos, pag napumasok yung order, you wanted to make sure makuha mo yung order na yan. So, what you wanted to do is go to stop limit order. Okay? Okay, and then you need to put 58,000, whatever is the highest, 59,200. Okay? Yung stop limit, yung stop order, ito yung magiging trigger order nyo before pa niya i-order yung limit. Okay? Before pa niya i-order yung limit. So, ito yung magiging panangga, ito yung order ninyo. And of course, dapat itong limit sa taas, this should be higher than the stop. So, it should be 59,201. Okay? And of course, you need to put the amount. Okay? And then you need to click buy. And you will need to confirm. Okay? You will need to confirm kung tama ba yung order mo by reading. Okay? And then you need to click on confirm. Okay? When you click on confirm, matitenga yung order sa baba. Okay, this one, matitenga yung order sa baba. And then it would only trigger the order kung ma-reach niya na yung 59,200 na order. Okay? That is the power of the stop limit. No? So cancel natin yan. Kunwari may posisyon ka na. Let's say you have a position sa doge. Let's find doge. Okay? When you click on doge, okay, malabo po ba? Sa iba po malinaw. Malabo po, sorry ha. Malabo po ba? Kasi the others are saying it's clear, the others are not. Pasabi na lang po para ma-adjust ko po. Okay, malinaw daw. Yung iba malabo. So, baka po sa connection nyo yan, hindi na po ako magsa-stop na po. So, I will continue na lang po ha. So, adjust nyo na lang po yung resolution ninyo. Okay? Alright. So, tuloy na tayo, no? So, kunwari meron ka ng doge position. Tapos, when you click on doge USDT, sa akin po malinaw ha, kayo na lang po yung mag-adjust po. Okay, bumili kayo ng doge. Paano yung sinatawag nating stop limit order? Paano kayo mapoprotektahan ng stop limit order para hindi kayo masunog, no? So kunwari ang plano ninyo, okay, let's expand this, no? Doge, okay? Yung candle ko dito, ginawa kong line para madaling makita. Okay? Ginawa ko siyang line. Pero if you wanted to do Heikinasi, pwedeng ganyan. But for the purposes of illustrating, gawin ko muna siyang line. Okay? Alright. So, ang sabi natin, okay, hang on. Ang sabi natin is line. Okay. So, naka 1 hour tayo. Okay. So, kunwari, nakapasok ka sa order na here. Nakapasok ka sa order na to. Okay? Tapos, sorry, dito ka nakapasok. Let's say, dito sa you were able to enter on this order, for example, sorry. So, this one, nakapasok ka dyan, no? Nahagip mo yung high, no? And then, paano mo maiiwasan na masunog at hindi ka umabot sa line na to, sa 0.59 sa doge, no? Kumita ka na at naka 0.63, paano ka hindi masusunog sa 0.59? Ang gagawin mo, you need to go back to the order. Go back to the order, guys. Okay? And then, ang sabi natin, 0.59 ang ayaw mong puntahan niya. So, ang gagawin mo, magsa-stop limit order ka. Okay? Magsa-stop limit kasi ngayon, 0.71 na si Doggy. Ang ganda. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. So, mag-order ka ng stop limit. Stop limit order sa Doggy, 0.59. And then the limit should be 0.58. Okay? And then let's say 50% ng Doggy. Okay? Stop limit. Okay? This will not execute until yung price maging 0.59. So when you click on sell Doggy, you need to confirm, mababasa nyo itong page na to. Okay? Click confirm. Matitenga yan sa baba. So kahit tulog kayo, okay? Kahit tulog kayo, this order will execute. Okay? This order will execute at kung ito yung stop limit ninyo sa spot order, hindi yan, you guys will not get burnt. Kailangan nyo gamitin yung or trigger condition na yan. Okay? Now, let's go to futures, no? Let's go to futures. Okay? All right? Okay. Okay, good question. Ano ang difference ng stop and limit, no? Okay. Kapag dito tayo sa orders ng ano, let's try to close this first, okay? All right. Let's study first the feature of this order, no? Kapag kayo kasi nag-limit order lang, let's say nag-limit order kayo. Okay? Remember, meron tayong tinatawag na slippage, no? May slippage tayong tinatawag. When you order, let's say ang price ng coin is $1. Tapos yung current existing price is 0.96. Okay? 0.96 for example, ha? Tandaan nyo. Ang pwede kasing mangyari, okay, pakita ko sa inyo yan, no? Yan. You guys could see my screen, di ba? Okay. Ang pwede kasi mangyari, dahil sa sobrang kapal ng or sell and buy, kapag nag-limit order kayo, pwedeng mahagip yung order ninyo kahit hindi yung limit order nyo. Manonotice nyo yan minsan, parang bakit tinamaan yung order ko? $1 yung order ko and the price was only 0.96. Diba? Kasi meron tinatawag na slippage. Sa Binance kasi, it's a centralized market. Unlike the decentralized, such as maglagay ng slippage doon. So your order can be accommodated based on the price that you set, no? So here kasi, it doesn't, minsan na-hit yung limit order nyo. So ang sinasabi ko lagi, for the purposes of simplicity, you need to use the stop limit order para meron kayong trigger point based on the mark price or the last price. So kunwari, sa futures, okay? Mag-ano tayo ng futures trade, no? And guys, tatandaan nyo to ha, this is something that's really important, okay? So when you go on, let's say Doge, perpetual, okay? Alright? By the way, nakikita nyo, I have 3 pending orders sa futures ha. Hindi ko sasabihin kung ano yung orders na yan, kayo na lang bahala mag-isip. Meron akong 3 naka-pending na order. Tinuro ko na yung strategy niyan kung paano kikita sa pending orders. Okay? Pag hindi nyo alam, kaninang morning, pinakita ko sa inyo habang tulog, kumita tayo ng I think $30 yata in 3 minutes. So I have 3 pending orders. Kayo na bahala mag-isip kung ano yan. I'm not gonna be sharing that. Ha? Okay? So kunwari, ang presyo na gusto mo, let's say ang all-time high ni Doge, okay, plot natin, no? Let's say in 15 minutes, magti-day trade tayo. Tanggalin ko muna si RSI. Okay. Alright, so ang pinakamataas natin, immediate oldest resistance is 0.74. That's the immediate oldest resistance. And I think, in fact, that's the all-time high already. Okay, all-time high, okay. 0.74 is the all-time high. Understood, okay. Alright, so let's say meron kang abang na order, no? Let's say ang abang mo order is 0.74. and then your price is 0.745, and then let's say 50% doge, and then nakaroon ka ng isolated, you're isolated, okay, and then you have 10%, 10x, I can't change this because I already have an existing pending order, no? Okay, when you click on execute, before I go on, put your take profit. Magkano ba yung take profit mo? Okay, let's say your take profit is 0.8. Your stop loss is 0.7. Sample lang Okay. Ang purpose ng stop loss is para hindi ka masunog. How do you set your stop loss? For example, 0.7. Ang stop loss mo, dapat maghahanap ka ng pinakamatatag or strongest support. Tinuro ko yan sa other videos natin, Tinuro ko yan when we look for boxes or darvas, no? Chart tayo, no? But we can go upwards. We could go to the 1 hour. Ano, wala ba sa support yung net? Okay, let me know pag okay na Okay, tell me kung okay na po. Kasi po sa akin okay naman. Okay? Okay, good. Okay na, no? All right. So you know, when we plot the support, kailangan yung strongest support, no? Okay? Hang on may nag-releasing kasi sa kabila okay. All right, parang hindi ko narinig yung sarili ko. Okay. All right. So when you kailangan hanapin mo yung strongest support, no? Ayun yung ilalagay mo dito, kailangan di siya mabasag. Assuming na ang strongest support natin is 0.65. Pero syempre, ang sabi ko sa inyo, ang cut loss dapat not more than 10%. 'Di ba? Dapat not more than 10%. So ano ba ang not more than 10% ng 0.74? 'Di ba? So 0.07, no? But for the purposes of doing this illustration, I'll just do 0.7, no? At least meron kayong stop loss. So what you need to do, okay, is you click on buy long, okay? Hindi mag-i-execute yan until ma-hit yung order, no? So we'll click buy long, okay? And then, lalabas yan sa open orders, no? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron akong 3 open order. I would not show it to you. Kaya hindi ko nag-click yung buy long, Okay? Alright. Pero lalabas yan sa pending order hanggat hindi na-hit yung order mo. Okay? Understood? Alright. Okay. That's the power of stop, limit, and limit orders. Dapat meron kayong hagip yung order ninyo. Okay? Guys, best friend ko si stop limit, I'm telling you. Without the stop limit sa stock market, sobrang hirap mag-trade. Kasi sa stock market, ang ano mo lang, at the open, at the close, good till canceled. Yun lang ang available na options for you So kailangan bantayan mo talaga siya kasi may ipit ka. 'Di ba? But if you go on futures, which is in Binance, meron ka ng take profit and stop loss. And if you have spot trading na nandito sa kanan, you could actually use spot, cross, and isolated. Okay? Alright. Ano ba ang ultimate buying advice? No? Lagi nyo sinasabi sa akin, Coach, anong bibilhin ko? No? Alright? So, ang bibilhin nyo dapat, right? Sabi nyo lagi, buy high, buy low, sell high. Ang challenge ko sa inyo, why don't you buy high and sell higher? Okay? Buy high and sell higher using the 3 strategies na nasa kanan. Okay? Pag hindi nyo alam yung 3 yan, go to my video, okay? And make sure alam nyo yung ganyang opportunities or strategies, no? Okay? All right. Ano ang reasons for parabolic scalping, no? Tinuro ko yan in my video. Parabolic scalping, reasons for parabolic scalping, you could earn while the stock is already high. Okay? Pwede kayong pumasok sa For example, okay, pakita ko sa inyo to. Pasilip ko lang sa inyo to Paano tayo kumita? Okay, yan. 'Di ba? Nakita nyo kanina, alas 8 ng umaga, alas 6 ng umaga, I was able to earn $28. 'Di ba? $28 0.71, nasa taas na yan. Paano ko nakita yan? How was I able to learn from that? 'Di ba? Paano ko nakita yung ganyang orders? No? So, it takes a lot of learning and studying. Okay? You need to learn a lot in terms of how are you going to be able to enter that particular trade. Okay? So, that's what I call parabolic scalping. No? Kahit na nasa taas na yung price, you can still, what? You could still earn and find the right entrance. Find the right entry point kahit mataas na. 'Di ba? Kaninang alas 6 ng umaga, nasa nag-all-time high na naman siya. Paano nakapasok si coach sa ganyan at di siya nasunog? Meron pong strategy yan. Right? Tinuro po natin yan sa parabolic, scalping, and all-time high planning. No? So, do not always tell yourself buy low, sell high. We could also buy high and sell higher. Okay? Make sure that you're able to sell higher, no? Okay, I will give you the 4 major quadrant approach. Okay. How to buy? Saan kayo pipili? And guys, pag tinanong nyo ako ulit, I will just tell you to go to this video, ha? Ano yung signals, how to buy, ano yung magic quadrant natin, no? Okay. Unang-unang consideration is ano ang sinasabi ni CoinMarketCap. Pupunta kayo sa CoinMarketCap, if i-filter nyo siya based doon sa pinakamalaking increase, may potential. The top 5, i-filter nyo based on the percentage of growth over the past 7 days. Okay? That's gonna be one of your considerations. Okay? Number 2, mataas ba ang risk and reward ratio? Okay? Mataas ba ang risk-reward ratio for the trade? Okay? The next one is, maganda ba ang sinasabi ni technical analysis? Is it giving you a buy signal? Okay? The last one is it giving you the right sell signal? Right? Is it the right technical analysis sell signal? Those are the 4 major quadrant approach. Okay? So kapag tinanong niyo yung sarili niyo, ano ba yung kailangan kong bilhin? Okay, unang-una, maganda ba siya sa CoinMarketCap? Pangalawa, maganda ba yung risk-reward ratio? Pangatlo, okay ba sinasabi ni sell signal and ni buy? Pang-apat, sell signal. Pangatlo, buy signal. And we will discuss what does that mean. Okay? What to buy? CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap ng mabilis. Okay? Let's go. CoinMarketCap. Let's try to open that. Okay? Now, this is the CoinMarketCap website. Okay? Now, ang gagawin niyo, you need to filter based on 7 days percentage ranking. So lalabas dyan, ano yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na coins na sobrang tinaas for the past 7 days. Look at Bitcoin Diamond, 209. Look at Shiba Inu, 254%. Look at Telcoin. Look at Ethereum Classic, ETC. Diba? If you don't know what's the difference of ETC and ETH, go to my first video. May difference yon. Okay? And then Dogecoin or Dogecoin, 96%. So this is your guide. Look at the top 5 and of course, look at the highest volume. Sort it out based on the highest volume. Okay? So of course, Tether, stable coin, forget about that. But of course, the highest volume is still Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, ito yung mga nag-peak, no? Ito yung mga nagpipeak, no? Alright, understood? Okay, so that's the first one. You need to look for the coin market cap, right? And then, go to the calendar. Okay, go to the calendar, click the calendar. Ayan. When you click the calendar, you would know ano yung mga nag-ICO and IDO. Initial coin offering. Right? Alam mo na before pa sila lumabas. So for example, CrossPad will go out in the Binance Smart Chain, 25 days left. Pagpasok niyan, baka karaniwan kasi sa mga pumapasok sa Binance, okay? Karamihan sa mga pumapasok sa Binance, na bagong coins or bagong ano, lumalabas lahat yan dito before mo sila makita. 'Di ba? Let's say on the BSC ecosystem, ito yung mga paparating na. If you guys keep on asking me, Coach, where can I see yung mga bagong coins pa lang sa Binance Smart Chain? Ay dito, ayan. Ano po, Coach, yung mga paparating pa lang na coins sa Ethereum ecosystem? Ay di yan, yung mga ganyan. Right? Now you will know ano yung mga coins na paparating pa lang. Okay? Alright, let's go on. Aside from coin market cap, of course, you need to know the market capitalization. Okay? Market fully diluted capitalization, white papers, coin market calendars, ICO tokenization. Okay? So what does that mean? So go to the coin that we went up earlier. Okay, go to the coin that we went up earlier and then find the coin itself. All right, and look for the circulating supply and let's try to open that. View charts. Okay? All right. Okay, ulit sa ICO. All right, balik tayo na mabilis. Yung ICO, pupunta kayo sa coin market cap calendars. Okay? Guys yung comments binabasa ko kaya just be mindful kung baka sa comments sa mga internet nyo lang, adjust na lang kasi baka maulit-ulit sa ibang hindi naman may problema, okay? Alright? So ulit sa ICO, click nyo BSC ecosystem, yung mga paparating pa lang sa Binance Smart Chain. Ito yung mga upcoming ICO coins. Ito yung wala pa sa system. And they're about to enter the Binance Smart Chain. So ang strategy dyan, abangan nyo when will they enter. Kasi normally pag pumapasok sa system, like for example si Bake, si Burger, pagkapasok sa system ni Binance, talagang lumilipad yung coin. Abangan nyo na yung date. Pasok na agad. Para pag umangat yung coin, nasa ilalim kayo. Kita kayo agad dun. Okay? Alright. Good. Alright. So, pagpunta nyo sa coin market cap, make sure alam nyo itong coin market calendars, ICO tokenization, white papers, lahat yan ang kukonsider nyo. Pag wala kayong makitang white paper, huwag nyo munang tayaan. Okay? How much to buy? Okay. Turo ko na mabilis to because we're already 7:02, no? Okay. So, risk-reward ratio, kailangan nasa high. Yung win rate mo, kailangan nasa high. Okay? Kapag low risk-reward, low win rate, you don't wanna be there. Okay? If you wanna be very good if you're very good on risk-reward ratio, pero low ang win rate, that's profitable trading. Kapag high ang win rate, pero low ang risk-reward ratio, that's also profitable trading. Okay? Pero pag parehas mataas ang win rate and risk-reward ratio, like yung kaninang sinabi ko sa inyo, meron akong video, paano ko nagawa yung 100% win rate. Diba? Paano ko nagawa yun? This is where the magic happens. Okay? That's where the magic happens. So kudos to TradeSighty for this graph, no? How to compute profitable rate, no? So number one, number of trades, right, is your denominator. Profitable trades, 51. That's your profitable rate is 51%. Pag win rate, let's say how many trades, tapos ang winning rate mo, ang win trades mo, let's say is 51. And then your winning rate is 51%. Okay? That's how you compute. So when you go back to the quadrant, dapat mataas ang win rate mo. Right? Mataas ang win rate mo dapat. Okay? And then, dapat mataas ang win rate and risk-reward ratio in terms of your winning combination. Okay? So, how to compute or how to break even, no? So guys, ituturo ko na mabilis. Kailangan yung malaman to. Okay? Turo ko mabilis how to break even. Go to the futures. Wow, taas na ni Doge, 0.71 na. Wow, okay. Alright. Okay, you need to use this calculator, ha. Ito, nasa kanan tuturo ko. Nasa kanan, right up, okay. Click this one. Okay, ituro ko ulit, nasa kanan, rightmost ha, rightmost. Okay? Alright, and then we will click that. Lalabas tong calculator na to. Okay? So for example, naka-long 20x ka, let's say ang entry price mo, let's say is 100 USDT. Ang exit price mo is 110. Let's say you bought 100 doge. Okay? When you calculate, it will give you the return on equity and the potential P&L impact. No? If you look on a 20x long margin or buy long margin, gamitin nyo tong calculator na to for you to compute what's your target price, liquidation price, okay? Di ba you guys are asking me this question? Sabi ko, gagawan ko ng calculator. O yan na, may calculator na tayo. Alright? So let's say, isolated, one-way mode tayo. We don't do the hedge mode ha, one-way mode muna. We go long 20. Ang entry price mo, let's say, is what? 0.68. Okay? Doge of, let's say, doge of 500. Okay? You calculate the liquidation price is point on a 20 margin. But if I increase this, the margin, right? I increase the margin, sorry. Let's try that again. 500, 5,000, let's say 5,000 doge. We calculate the liquidation price adjusts. Liquidation price, sobrang lapit na ng liquidation price kay entry price. Kasi ang taas ng margin na ginamit mo. Pero pag ginawa mo 10x lang yan, we will calculate again. Let's go 50 doge. Sorry, let's go 100. Thanks na. Okay, no, nawala ba? Wait lang natin. Sorry guys, wait natin. Okay? Okay guys, please give a feedback kung okay na ha. Okay, pasensya na kayo, ang pangit ng connection today. Okay naman tayo nung mga nakaraang weeks. I'm so sorry. Okay? Alright, so yan, pag lumiit yung margins na ginamit ninyo, the liquidation price is also very small. No? Very, very small yung liquidation price. So, may always make sure na wag kayong gagamit ng sobrang laking margins agad because the liquidation price will be very near, sobrang lapit niyan sa entry price. Okay? So just make sure you always use this calculator. Okay, this one. Calculator. Okay? Para ma-compute nyo yung inyong P&L and liquidation price. Okay? Alright, sounds good? Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move on. All right. Okay, next. How much to buy, no? So 10% is going to be your buying percentage, no? So how much to buy? 10%. Position sizing is the key. Gumawa ako ng templates. Sinave ko siya sa ating Facebook groups. Okay? I save the template sa Facebook. Punta kayo sa files. Okay? You will see sa Facebook groups natin na yung position sizing document nandito. Okay? You could see on the position sizing document, just download that. I will teach you guys separately. We have a position sizing document. Just join the Miranda Miner Profitable Group. I will also share this sa ating Discord channel in a few. Okay? Sounds good? All right? Okay. Let's move on. All right. So position sizing is key. Pag kayo bumibili, make sure may fixed amount per trade. Dapat alam nyo na ang tinatawag nating fixed risk per trade, no? So, pag kayo pumapasok, dapat alam nyo ilang percent lang. For example, sobrang volatile ng crypto, ng coin. Let's say Dogecoin, no? Sobrang volatile, huwag kayong pasok ng all-in. Never all-in. Okay? Never, ever, ever, ever. I will put here. Never all-in. Okay? Never all-in, ha? Tatandaan nyo yan. Hanggat hindi pa sanay, never all-in. Okay? Make sure. So, that's gonna be your how much to buy. Just use 10% as a starter. Pag magaling na, put 20%, 30% of your positions, no? Make sense? Okay? And then when to buy? When to buy is, alright, sabi ni Warren Buffett, be fearful when the others are greedy and greedy when the others are fearful. Kapag sobrang dami ng bumibili, pagod na yung aso, ingat na, no? Pag yung mga tao takot bumili, doon kayo maging greedy, no? Right? So, ano yung mga kailangan ninyo before you buy? Okay? 50% coin market cap ranking. So, pasok dyan si Doge, Ethereum, BTC, ETH, ADA, XRP, Matic, 'di ba? Etc. 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 30% trend upwards. Sino sila? Let's go back to the file. Sino yung mga going up the trend? They are let's go 7%. They are ayan. So Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Telcoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Diamond. Okay? And then, future plans. Do they have? Diba? Do they have a future plan? So, for example, alam nyo ba na si Ada Cardano, they have a plan to become the next Ethereum? Alam nyo ba yon? They have a plan to become the next Ethereum because they will have their own smart contracts. Alam nyo ba yan? They will have their own smart contracts very, very soon. Okay? So, future news, no? You need to have a future news. Ano ba yung mga available na future plans nila? So, 50% coin market ranking, 30% upward trend, and then 20% future plans. Right? So, Doge, XRP, ADA, diba? Ethereum, ETC, right? Okay, next. Trend. What is a trend, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na higher highs and lower lows. So, pag nakarinig kayo ng mga higher high and lower low, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, when you go on the chart, ito, okay, this candle is a higher low of this higher high candle. So, turo natin. This candle is a higher low of this higher high candle. Okay? This candle is a higher high candle. This candle is a higher high candle. Right? Make sense? This candle is a higher low of this candle. This is the initial candle. This is the higher high candle. This is the higher low candle. So that's the trend. Higher high, higher low, lower low, and so on and so forth. Okay? Patterns buying. Ano yung patterns buying? When to buy, no patterns buying. So sinabi ko na yan sa isang video ko. Right? Pattern buying using DARVAS. Okay? So, imagine this box, this candle is wala pa. Imagine nyo lang wala pa yung box na yan. Okay, imagine wala pa yung box na yan. Yung box na yan, and then the only candle that you see is the box below. No? When do you buy? Of course, buy on the breakout. Breakout ng box na nakikita ninyo. Diba? Another one is pattern. So ano ba yung mga channels? No? So for example, we do parallel charting. Okay? So look at what have happened. All right? Look at what have happened when this candle broke out. What happened? When this candle broke out with the channel, look at what have happened to the trend. Boom, lumagpas na nabasag, 'di ba? Another one channel breakout. Okay? Look at what happened, no? When this broke out, right? Look at what have happened with the trend. It went downwards. Right? That is pattern buying. Okay? So when you say pattern buying, you look for patterns. Okay? You look for patterns. Yung patterns po, sinend ko po lahat sa ating Facebook page, sa groups po natin. Yung mga patterns po nandito po lahat sa one of our posts, no? I-save natin yan, but all of the patterns are saved. I saved it earlier. We will find it, pero I will put it all here, no? I will create a file where you could see all the patterns. I'll upload it here later on. So just go here on our page, okay? Okay, let's move on. All right, patterns buying, and of course, when to sell. When do you now sell? Okay, when do you now start selling? Of course, may tinatawag tayong fear and greed index. Huwag kang greedy. Huwag kang masyadong greedy. Juicy na nga yung takbo ng charts eh, di ba? So, lalo, kumbaga when you profit, profit is profit, gain is gain. Right? Huwag ka munang, huwag ka nang hahamig, baka malusaw pa. No? Kaya nga tayo may mga tinatawag na indicators when to sell. No? Turo ko mabilis when to sell. Okay? Tinuro ko na yung stop loss ha. Make sure ginagamit yung stop loss natin. No? So when to sell? Okay. Pag chupit, may tatlong ways to sell profit target, profit making. Either chuchupit ka lang, or either mag-easy money ka, or you wanted to do delayed gratification, no? All right? So mabilis lang to, when to sell. Turo ko sa inyo yung strategy. Okay, guys, 0.71 na si Doggy, mag-all-time high na ha. Okay, so using the charts kanina, open natin, maglagay tayo ng MACD. Okay? And we put RSI. So ang sabi ko sa inyo kanina, ang indicator number 1, guys, you need to make sure you remember this ha. You need to make sure you remember this. Tatandaan nyo to, konti lang nakakaalam nito. Okay? So you need to make sure na itong exit na to, itong candle na to, okay? Yung candle na yan, di ba sabi ko, pababa mo yung screen already? Okay? Let me know kung okay na ulit, guys. Sorry about that. I just restarted my modem. Okay, let me know if we're back, no, guys? Okay. So let me know if it's still okay. No, I will just continue with the session. No. Okay. So when to buy? When to buy? No, ito yung mahalaga sa lahat. No. So sabi ko kanina na meron lang tayong tinatawag na breakout ng pattern. No. This one is a breakout of the pattern. No. Pero ang sabi ko sa inyo ng confirmatory signal, kapag tumuro na pababa si MACD, like yung nangyari dito, tumuro na siya pababa dito pa lang, sa part na to, okay? And then, meron na siyang tinatawag na kiss of death or bearish crossover dito, right? 'Di ba? Galing kayo sa sa baba sa part na to, sa kulay green candle na to, 'di ba? So, ito yan eh. Ito yung pag bullish crossover eh. 'Di ba? Bullish crossover. And then, yung RSI natin, nag-parabolic high na din siya. Nagkaroon siya ng 73. So this is really a good buy. 'Di ba? This is a good opportunity to buy this particular candle. 'Di ba? This candle is a good buy. Because, why? Because, nagkaroon ng bullish crossover, entry ng RSI, ang ganda ng candle. No? Now, when do you sell? 'Di ba? Paano niyo maiiwasan tong napakalaking red candle na to? Okay? So unang-una nakita nyo, tumuro na pababa, here pa lang si MACD. 'Di ba? Dito pa lang tumuro ng pababa si MACD. And look at what have happened to the candle here. It also went down as well. Okay? And then your RSI also pointed downwards na. Right? That is your signal. And then, make sure yung patterns ninyo, dapat hindi siya magbe-breakout sa support na to. Ito yung tinatawag nating strongest support eh. Itong line sa baba. Because diyan nagtatapos yung mga dulo ng candles, yung tails nila. And tingnan yung nangyari, nung nabutas niya yung channel, tumuloy-tuloy pababa na siya. 'Di ba? So your selling signals should be what? What are supposed to be your selling signals? Okay? Your selling signal should be, right? It should be let's do this here. Insert. Your selling signal should be patterns, breakout, sell signal with confirmation of RSI and MACD pointing downwards. Okay? That is your selling signal. Okay? So in the chart, you've noticed that when you're going to sell, there are multiple confirmations. Number one, MACD. Number 2, RSI. Number 3, breakout of the chart patterns. Huwag lang kayo mag-rely on chart patterns. Okay? Understood? Okay. So let's move on. We're already down on our last couple of slides, no? Ang next week nating na topic, that's gonna be our last slide, guys. Ang next week topic natin is going to be tools and tips in crypto trading, no? I'm going to entertain questions sa Q&A. Let me know if you have any questions, guys, and I will be able to answer some of them. Siguro we'll spend 30 minutes on live charting, no? And again, I'm sorry, guys, kung putol-putol tayo, and so really sorry for that, no? I will have it corrected sa PLDT. Okay? So while waiting for your comments, let's go on some of the questions sa chat screen. Uh, okay, any questions, guys? No questions? Gaano ka-accurate ang or reliable ang pattern? It's not fully accurate. That's what you call price action uh, strategy. Ilagay mo pa din siya ng indicators tulad ng tinuro ko para sure ball ka. Okay? Dodge Father going nuts. Billboards in London and New York at the moment. Listed in CoinGecko. You are so lucky if you see this. Wow, congratulations. Magkano na ba ang 0.71 na? Wow, congratulations there. Yes, recorded siya. You could continue watching this. Pwede mo bang mababad sa negative PNL habang nag-aantay tumaas kahit umabot ng days? Sa spot, yes. Pwede ka mag-negative. Negative, ang PNL kasi it's a reporting eh. So, PNL kasi it is a net, this is a net of your gains over your loss, no? So, nagre-reset yan per day, no? Nagre-reset yan per day and you could actually see sa inyong Binance your net profit and your net gain. Pwede kayong pumunta doon and you guys could see yung net profit nyo. So puntahan natin yung wallet ni Coach para makita ninyo. Okay? So when you go to my wallet, let's go to fiat and spot. And so for example, yesterday I earned 6,742 pesos. That is your yesterday's PNL, right? So magre-reset yan for the next day depending on your net loss or net profit. Okay? Okay? So sa Halmachi po ba, paano po malalaman if ilang percent yung ipapump ng coin? Kasi po pag nagpumasok ako sa negative 100, minsan hindi po nagpapump yung coin. Okay, sinagot ko to kanina, no? Kapag kayo nagsa-scalping sa Halmachi, remember, pag naka 3-minute candle kayo, remember ang scalping you earn in minutes. So dapat dalawang candle pa lang, pagpasok sa negative 100, tumama si Emma kay Alma, pasok na agad. Pagpasok nyo, high Kinashi close or high Kinashi low candle. Pagpasok ninyo, after 2 candles, labas na, benta na. That's already 6 minutes. Kasi naka 3 minutes time frame kayo, di ba? So pag ganon, pangalawang candle pa lang Halmachi, labas na. Take profit na, wag nang mag-antay bumaba. Okay? Alright. Ano po magandang settings sa RSI and MACD? Okay. Let's go to the chart mabilis, no. Pag kayo ay nagcha-charting, ang tandaan niyo lagi, kailangan ang giya ninyo kapag kayo nagsa-scalping, remember ang scalping kailangan 3 minutes ang time frame ninyo, 'di ba? Okay? 3 minutes. So pag naka 3 minutes time frame kayo, huwag kayong gagamit ng mahahabang moving average. Okay. So, pag kayo naka 3 minutes, okay lang na ang RSI ninyo is 14. RSI 14 lang. 14, okay. And then, your MACD, standard lang yan. Standard lang ang MACD, huwag nyo nang i-change. Okay? And then, na CCI default lang na 20, huwag nyo nang i-change ang CCI ninyo. Okay? Why? Because kapag kayo naka 3-minute time frame, tatandaan niyo ang RSI 14 is RSI ng 14 days. Ang RSI 30 RSI ng 30 days. Walang bearing kapag nagsa-scalping kayo na sundin niyo yung moving average ng 30 days. Walang kwenta 'yon. Right? Sa scalping, the smaller the moving average, the better. Kaya nga yung nakita niyo yung EMA ko 9 days, yung ALMA ko 20 days. Hindi siya pwedeng more than that. Kasi hindi mababasa ng candle, yung candle ninyo habang nag-scalping kayo, ang binabasa niya yung moving average ng the past 30 days. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Okay? Yun ang rule natin. Okay. For parabolic po, 4 hours talaga ang time frame or 1 hour could suffice. Kapag parabolic scalping, 3 minutes. Okay? Scalping nga eh. Pero pag parabolic high, pwede kayong mag 1 hour. Okay? Pag parabolic, go to my other video, ano yung parabolic place. Hindi siya parabolic SAR ha. Guys, tatandaan ninyo, iba ang parabolic. Someone asked me this question kanina. Iba tong parabolic SAR ha. This is different on the parabolic plane na sinasabi ko. Ang parabolic plane na sinasabi ko, kapag tumaas yung price more than 70, pakita ko sa inyo ha, mag-i-investagrams ako ng mabilis. Okay. Kapag kasi ang RSI nag-70 and above, nagpa-panic buying ang market. Kailangan mong pasukan yon. Kailangan mong pasukan yung panic buying ng market. Ang technique doon, pasok ka sa RSI 72, okay? RSI 70, kunwari ito for example, naka 1 hour tayo. Okay, 1 hour, di ba? Okay, so papasukan natin, ang sabi ko sa inyo, pasukan natin yung RSI, let's say itong RSI na to. This RSI is, sorry, CCI to, I'm so sorry. This is CCI, okay. Hanap tayo ng RSI, itong RSI na to, this is RSI ano, parabolic plate tayo, sige. This is RSI 30, okay. Hanap tayo ng magandang RSI. Ayan. Let's go with, okay, let's go with the 4 hours or let's go with kahit 15 minutes. Huwag lang tayo bumaba dyan. Okay. Ito ha, tatandaan nyo to, okay? RSI, magpa-parabolic model ako. Okay? So for example, this RSI, this RSI, no? Lakihan natin yan. Okay. Alright. Itong RSI na to, okay, RSI 30 to ha. Guys, RSI 30 on a 15 minutes or 1 hour pwede. Maximum na yan. Sorry, minimum. Okay? So, nakita ninyo, yung RSI, pagdating ko ng RSI 71, okay, naka-RSI 71 ako ha, listen carefully. Okay? RSI 71. Nasaan na yung candle? Nasaan na yung candle? Magkano na yung price? Ang price niya at that time, okay, let's go with vertical line. Okay. Okay. Ang price niya, okay, is at 56,248 on an RSI of 70.84. Okay? Okay. Akyat tayo ngayon. Pag nag-RSI 74 na ako, magkano ang price? RSI 74, this is 74, 73. Ang price is, magkano? Magkano ang price niya? 56,969. Okay? 56,969 ang price niya. Okay? Magkano tinaas on that RSI play? Okay, let's go. Price range. That's 1.13%. Hindi ko pa sinagad ha. Hindi pa ako nag-75. Ito ginawa ko 75 yung RSI play natin. Okay, RSI play 75. That's 57,237. Right? So, that's a scalping sorry, that is a good trade for parabolics. No? If you do a 3 minutes, hahanap ka lang dyan, no? Hahanap ka ng 3 minutes. Hanap ka ng magandang RSI. Like this one. Diba? This RSI is 3 minutes. Diba? Do the same thing. Ayan, no, RSI from this price from 58 and then for better impact, magsa-scalping kayo sa mga penny stocks ha. Tatandaan nyo to guys, huwag kayo magsa-scalping sa BTC. Okay? Magsa-scalping kayo sa lower stocks. So for example, let's go on Doge or Dodge. Mas malaki ang impact ng scalping sa mga smaller stocks, no? Kasi penny stocks sila. Penny coins, I'm so sorry. Penny coins, no? Ayan. So when we go on a 15-minute, hanap tayo ng yan. 3 minutes. Yan, no? Ang bilis, oh. Diba? Hanap lang kayo ng parabolic. Pag nag-parabolic ang price in couple of minutes, pasukan nyo agad on a 71. Labas kayo ng 75 or the soon as tumuro pababa yung MACD. Okay? Sa RSI po ba, I bought Dodge at 0.631, now it's 0.71. Is it nice to sell? Okay. Jimmy, use the calculator that I shared to calculate your profit. No? Naggawa ako ng calculator here. You could use this calculator. Crypto, trade, profit, loss, or calculator. You could use this to calculate your profit sa spot. Okay? And then, hey Rich Bell, thanks for joining. Ano ang settings ng ALMA sa 3 minutes time frame? Okay, kapag kayo nag-halmachi, meron tayong video on that ha. Pag kayo nag-halmachi, kailangan ang settings ni ALMA is, lagyan natin ng ALMA to. Okay? Yung ALMA ninyo, gagawin yung 20, 0.8, and 8. And then, make sure ang candle is Heiken Ashi and okay, that's gonna be your ALMA setup, 20, 0.8, and 8. Okay? Alright? Okay, Rich, panoorin nyo na lang yung video ko on Halmachi ha. Di ko na-explain paano maglagay ng EMA and ALMA. Okay. General, kaya pala hindi accurate scalping ko. Ay, okay. Saan kayo sir nagtitrade? Spot or futures? Both. I've been trading sa futures. Sa aking pong video, makikita po ninyo ang aking mga samples, no? So if you go to my page, on my Pro and Advanced, I will show to you there yung walkthrough ko ng futures trading. I was able to get 100% win rate there. And then, sa spot trading, makikita ninyo yung aking trades. No? So I'm trading on both. Okay? Alright, anong tingin mo kay Ada? Magto $2 na kaya siya? Wow. Gamitin po ninyo yung aking deck, no? How to, aking tinuturo, how to predict, no? How to predict using the indicators na tinuturo ni Coach. Okay? Alright? Okay. What do you prefer, Coach? Spot or futures? I earn more sa, alam mo, to be honest, I'm earning more sa futures. Kasi ang strategy ko, maliit na entry pero times 20. Kaya yung average earnings ko around $30+ per futures trade. Okay? Anong tingin mo kay Ada? Ada po is long term for me. Ada kasi is, ang kagandahan kay Cardano, meron na siyang sarili niyang smart contracts. So which is really, really big, no? Kay Cardano, kay Ada. Kaya ang laki kasi ng tinaas niya because gumagawa siya ng sarili niyang blockchain eh. No? So I think ADA is a long term for me. Which do you, may tutorial po ba kayo ng Fibonacci? Okay, the Fibonacci and Elliott Wave, I'm not teaching that for now, no? I'm going to teach more through on that kapag inaral na natin si Crypto Technical Analysis 102. I will be teaching Fibonacci, ano yung golden ratio, how to plot your Elliott waves, especially the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. I will teach all of that on the technical advanced analysis. Okay? Okay. Tama po ba may 3 minutes ang I-14 RSI at 15? Correct. Tama. Tama, Kathleen, no? By preference, dapat pag nagsascalping ka, lower ang RSI mo, lower ang EMA mo. Okay? Kay Solano, thoughts? Naggumawa po tayo ng video kay Solano. Solano is a very, very good potential token. Why? Tingnan niyo po itong crypto coin. Nakikita po ninyo, meron siyang Polkadot ecosystem, Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, at si Solana lang po ang may ecosystem dito. Si Solana po kasi when you click Solana ecosystem, meron na po siyang sarili niyang blockchain. Meron po siya sarili niyang coins. Ang isa po sa mga pinakasikat na coins ni Solana is Serum, okay? Terra Luna, of course Solana Sol, nasa Binance yan, right? Those are really good coins within the Solana ecosystem. So ang tingin ko kay Sol, tandaan nyo bawat blockchain may currency. So ang currency ni Bitcoin, ang currency ni Ethereum network, Ether. Ang currency ni Binance coin is BNB. Ang currency ni ADA sa Cardano ecosystem is Cardano. Pag lumabas yung blockchain nila. Ang currency ni Solana is Sol. Right? Or anything na pwede niyang gawing currency niya for that particular blockchain. Okay? Okay. Pwede ba mag-earn ng malaki kahit spot lang muna, coach? Yes, basta alam mo lang yung tamang entry. Okay? Pwedeng kumita ng malaki, yes. Paano gamitin sa trailing stop loss? Okay. Trailing stop loss kasi is going to be in short, trailing stop kasi ganito, for example, no? Yan. So let's go to futures. Let's go to trade, derivatives. Okay. You have a trailing stop loss as an option. Umaakyat kasi, ganito kasi yan, no? Kapag tumataas yung price mo, yung take profit, yung stop loss mo kasi hindi tumataas. 'Di ba? So kung meron kang futures order, let's say tumaas na, kunwari nag-order ka sa kunwari yung order dito sa pinakailalim na to. Okay? Sa price na 53,000. Okay, let's put Dodge. Okay. Okay. Let's put Dodge, right? And then let's say naka-order ka sa Dodge ng ito, sa pinakailalim, let's say sa 0.53, no? Tapos ang stop loss mo dyan, 0.5. 0.5 ang stop loss mo. Ang problema kasi, pag tumaas na ang iyong price, kasi andito na yung price ng coin. For example, andito na yung price, no? Yung stop loss mo kasi maiiwan sa 0.51. Eh, ang price mo 0.71 na. Okay? Kaya may tinatawag na trailing stop loss. So, you could actually put a trailing stop option. Okay? You can put a trailing stop wherein you could activate based on percentage. I-activate mo siya doon sa target price mo, callback percentage rate, ilang gaano kalaki, para mailagay mo na habang tumataas yung stock, hinahabol niya yung trailing stop mo, yung loss mo. Hinahabol niya the percentage kasi naka-manual ka, 'di ba? Naka-manual ka na stop loss limit before, 'di ba? Hindi pa nahihit 'yan, kaya cancel mo 'yan sa open orders mo. Right? Kung wala na siyang kwenta, naiwan na siya. You will put your stop loss already, pero you need to program that before you even execute the trade. Okay? Gawan ko yan ng video, ha? Pero magandang question yung sinabi mo. Ano pangalan? Ralph Anthony Barantes. Thanks for that question. Okay? Okay. Ano man-recommend nyo cryptocurrency na pwedeng pang long-term investment? Punta po kayo sa aking video, altcoins to invest on 2021. You will see there po kung ano po yung ating mga recommended na coins. Okay? And then, plug in ko na lang din, Instagram kung wala pa kayo. Ang ginagawa ko kasi, I have a screener. May bayad nga lang po ito, no? And I share this sa aking page. So, ginagawa ko, I go to premium, pinifilter ko yung RSI 30 na overbought sa cryptocurrency. I will run that. Kita ko na po lahat sino yung mga parabolic entry ko. Okay? I could already get, kunyari, ang parabolic entry ko si Dodge, si ATC, si Ethereum. Lahat silang RSI nila naka 71 na, o 71, 71, 70. Magagandang entry na yan. Okay? So I have this opportunity to download, pero i-share ko lang to sa ating Facebook groups and ating Discord, no. Pero yung gawing tong scanner na or potential coins to buy using the Parabolic Play. Pwede ko din gawin, tanggalin ko to, punta ako sa technical description, pwede kong gawin na MACD, crossing signal, bullish, okay? Pwede kong gawing kailangan ang volume average niya above the volume average. Let's click on run. Ayan, I already have 2 samples na if I open this particular coin, ang indicator na MACD niya nag-bullish crossover na. Okay? So I will only do this, I will only share this information sa atin pong Facebook groups and Discord. So, join na po kayo doon para ipapublish ko po yung aking mga available na screeners para magamit ninyo, hindi nyo na isa-isahin. Okay? Para lang sa inyo yan kasi mahal kayo ni Coach Miranda. Hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng mahal na screener. Ako na po bahala mag-screen para sa inyo. Okay? Alright? Take profit sa futures. Diniscuss ko na yata yun, Ash. Apple, hello. How are you, Apple? Thanks for joining. Yes, Jasper. This is really good, no? This is really good screener kasi ang bilis kong makita yung potential entry ko, hindi ko na siya iisa-isahin. So, not everyone has this. Pwede mo pa rin kasing gawing descriptive. Let's say, pwede mong gawing by sector. Pwede mong gawing premium. Let's say, gusto mo siyang i-filter based on RSI. Overbought na ba siya? Para mag-parabolic play ka. Okay? And then, wala po akong TikTok. Pero promote nyo po ako sa TikTok para pumunta rito yung mga tao natin. Okay? Totoo, Rachel, may bayad sa Investa but I'm sharing it to you guys kasi tulong ko na rin sa inyo, no? Tulong ko na rin sa inyo to. Okay? Watching from New Zealand, thank you. Pa-accept na lang daw pag may time sa Facebook. Okay, guys, punta lang kayo sa Facebook groups para pag pinablish ko dito yung ating mga fail. Kunwari right now, I will do this already. So kung mag-screener na tayo, let's say do an RSI overbought scenario. Okay, I will send this. I will upload it here already. Ayan, nakasave na po siya. Ang Investa po yata, 15,000 for the whole year yung binili kong membership. Kaya nagagamit ko po siya for the whole year. And sobrang ganda din po ng Investa, guys, because here you could also do their charting. So for example, I could do a multi-chart. Promote ko na sila. They're a very good team. I like the Investa team, no. Yeah, I could do 4 charts, I could do 6 charts. Pwede kong sabay-sabayin, no? I could probably put, let's say, Dodge. Yan, I could probably put here Dodge, tapos USDT. Yan. I could do that na. Let's say dito is Ethereum, USDT. Yan. Isa-isayin nyo na siya. You could do that already. Okay? Face reveal. Pa-accept po. Sige. We'll accept you. How to handle emotions. Mahirap yan. Kasi syempre, you need to train yourself, no? Pag greedy ka, kailangan mong kausap. Ang kailangan mong gawin, how to handle your emotion, punta ka sa Facebook group o pumunta ka sa Discord, doon ka mag-chat, maghanap ka ng kausap. Ilibangin mo yung sarili mo. Ayun ang gagawin nyo sa Facebook group at sa Discord. That's the purpose. Huwag kayong mag-hype ng coin. Maghanap kayo ng kausap kasi parang hindi kayo ma-overtrade, para yung emotions nyo managed. Okay? Okay? Alright guys, last 3 questions. Coach, ang RSI sa screener, anong TF po yan? This is per day. Pag nilagay ninyo sa screener, this is normally a per day. No? What's this? Day and time frame yan. Okay? So let's go with ayan, and then here you could also have you could also play. Ang problema kasi dito sa you could also play with play money. You could play trade with the play money. Virtual trading yan. Click on virtual trading, tapos you could have your own play money to trade. Pero I don't think they have a crypto at this point. I think they still have stocks lang. Okay? Ano po magandang time frame sa pag-trade ng futures? It depends po sa strategy. If you're a scalper, 3 minutes. Kung gusto nyo kumita pag tulog, panoorin nyo yung video ko, paano kumita ng tulog, mag-auto-execute ng order yon. And I think I already shared that sa I shared that already sa page. Kung paano ko kumita ng tulog. Walang time frame yun. Siya nag-execute mag-isa. Kumita ako ng 3. Actually, it's on my it is on my trade history, di ba? Ayan, no? Yan, tulog ako niyan. I earned in 3 minutes, 618, 621. Di ba? Okay. Sa futures po, okay lang naman po yung ROE kahit babad hanggat di naaabot yung stop loss. Yes, pwede. Pero, ingat din kasi ayokong ma-liquidate ka. Hindi, dapat planuhin mo. Sabi ko nga, kailangan ng risk-reward ratio mo mataas. Dapat ang reward mo mas mataas sa risk. So, before your mindset should be, dapat ang laban mo, ang laro mo, mataas ang reward mo agad. Huwag ka pong magbababad sa negative ROE because may tinatawag din po tayong auto-deleverage or ADL, no? Ang ADL po, makikita niyo yung tatlong exclamation point kung meron na kayong posisyon, auto-deleverage kayo, mawala din yung posisyon ninyo. No, depende sa profitability ninyo. I'll discuss that more, no? Sa 3 minutes, okay po ang Halmachi at MACD and RSI na technique. Yes, pwede lahat yan. Basta lower ang RSI 14. Halmachi, yes, okay na yan sa 3 minutes. Proven na yan. Basta make sure high Kinashi ang candle close or low. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, guys, before we let go, again, happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. Wherever you are in the world, I salute you and happy Mother's Day na rin sa akin bilang single na daddy. Makabilang bahay po yung aking nanay po ng aking anak. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga magulang at sa mga nanay nyo po na patuloy na nagsisika para sa inyo. Please say thank you to them. Isa lang po ang nanay natin. Please say thank you to them wherever they are. Give them flowers. Give them anything, no? And show to them your love. No? Show to them that you love them because isa lang po ang ating magulang. No? So, show and be thankful na may magulang pa kayo kung may mga magulang pa kayo, right? So, hindi lang po lagi umiikot sa charts ang ating buhay. Also show appreciation sa inyong mga magulang. At kung kayo po ay nanay, I salute you because kung wala po kayo, wala din po kami, right? So, happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. And if kung meron po kayong tanong, always just, actually, ayoko na magsabing ping me. Ang dami ko na pong message. Sobrang dami na. Kaya, just go to my Facebook groups or go to my Discord, go to our Discord channel. And para pag na-replyan ko, marami din mag-benefit. Okay? And again, guys, sobrang salamat kasi 3 linggo pa lang po yung channel natin. We're already almost more than 5,000 subscribers. So, sobrang thank you guys, and I love all of you, and malay nyo next time mag-face reveal na si Coach, 'di ba? So anyways, guys, happy Mother's Day, and I love all of you. Enjoy your weekend, okay? Thank you so much. Bye for now.